What's up, guys? Today's the day where I'm gonna take out this front bumper and install these vent mounted LED lights to my RC, and I got the instructions on how to do it, so let's see how they go. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the plastic covering right here so I can get to these screws to take off the front bumper, and also the screws underneath it as well too. So that's gonna be a while. Alright, once I took off the cooling plate, I'm gonna take out these 6 little plastic rivets right here, and that should access me to the screw where I can take out the front bumper. I am underneath the car and I gotta remove these screws underneath for the front bumper. I think there are a ton of them. Alright, and I gotta take this screw off right up there on both sides. Alright, so I popped that out. So I gotta take this 10 and this one out to pull the bumper off. So once I took those two 10 millimeters bolts off, I gotta pull the bumper and unclip these wires. Not pretty sure you guys can see it in there. Probably not, but I gotta unclip these cables right there. And also I gotta make sure I take this off too. So out of those 3, I forgot, I need to take this off. And there, I have the front bumper off. Now I can get to work on attaching those LED mounts to the fog lights right here. Red and black wire, or red and white wire. I just gotta double check where the voltage is. Alright, so now I gotta remove 2 screws, 2 Phillips head screws, one right here and one on the bottom, so I can remove this plastic covering out so I can clip those mounts up there through the front, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm feeding the wires through the vent first. I'm pulling out over here. Unfortunately, I can't take this clip off because I screwed my front lip on that, so I'm just gonna pull and make those clips mount in there. And there we go. I just gotta push it in all the way so the clips, 3 clips can attach back here. Not pretty sure if you guys can see it, but the 3 clips can go attached to that so it can stay in place. So now I gotta do the wiring. Alright, so I did the wiring right here. Red is red and black is to white. Red is the power, white is the ground. And you can test it over here as well too. It connects to this. Green, okay, green is your power, red is your ground. So let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, it's connected. Moment of truth. Turn on the headlights. Fog lights. Oh yeah, it works. Nice. Oh, that doesn't match my yellow. Oh well, it's close enough. Cool. Well, I'm gonna do the other side, same thing, and reinstall the bumper, and that's about it, guys. But yeah, nice. Alright, so that's how it works. Sweet. Now I'm gonna put the front bumper back in and see what it looks like. Alrighty, I got those on. Now the moment of truth. Oh, it's on the race ramps. I gotta take it off. Yeah. Okay. Turn on the headlight. Turn on the fog light. Let's see if it works. Oh, there it is. That is nice. Doesn't match my yellow, but Oh well, that's kind of like amber orange. There it goes, guys. See you guys later.